Hi, welcome back to my channel. Again, this is Ram, and today I'm going to share with you my experience with the CO2 fractional laser treatment. Guys, this is my fifth and last session. So, sa mga nagtatanong, hindi po per session yung inavail ko. Nakapackage po siya. Mas mura kasi pag nakapackage. Guys, my journey with Scar Laser treatment has been great so far. And if you'd like to see how things went in the previous sessions, feel free to check out my earlier videos. So, without further ado, let me begin by showing you how my legs look after 4 sessions. Ikwento ko lang po ulit, during my first and second sessions, I've only noticed a very little improvement. I even felt sad thinking it was just a waste of money kasi halos wala kang makitang pagbabago. But that thought changed when I saw the results from my third and fourth sessions. As in, meron naman talagang improvement kapag mataas yung energy na ginamit. Ako kasi nagtatanong talaga ako kung anong level na ba kami. Kasi we started from low talaga as per advice nila since first timer ako. And then later, particularly on my third session, tinasan na nila, sinagad na nila. And the great thing about using higher energy level is, effective siya. Yun nga lang, the higher the energy, the more painful it gets. So now let's jump right into the procedure. The process was still the same. They applied anesthesia to my scars, covered them with plastic. And I remember it was the longest time I waited. Nag-antay ako ng more than 40 minutes before we started the laser, which is way better para kakapit ang anesthesia. So here's how my legs look after the fifth session. By the way, guys, they maintained using the highest level of energy. And yes, like I always say, kahit may anesthesia, may pain ka pa rin na mararamdaman. I'd say the pain level is around 6 to 7 out of 10. But don't worry too much. You can manage the pain since the laser only touches the skin for a few seconds. Sobrang saglit lang kayo magtitiis ng sakit. So, as you can see, visible pa rin yung mga bilog-bilog or yung mga grease. So here's a close-up of the lasered scars. So kung nakikita nyo po ito siya, nag-uumpisa na siyang mamalat. So kahit dito sa kabila kong leg, ayan, kung napapansin nyo po, namamalat na siya. Pero wag nyo po yan siyang galawin, hayaan nyo lang siya namamalat on its own. So, ayan. So namamalat na po siya, no? Ano yung itsura niya? Parang ganito yung itsura ng namamalat na. So, yung iba, unti-unti pa lang na namamalat. So, ito na po yung itsura niya after 3 weeks. And meron pa rin, no? May mga paunti-unti pa po na visible. Ayan, sa gilid. Tapos, ito. And then, ito po sa kabila. Ayan. So, konti na lang rin po, no? Ayan. So, ito na po yung itsura niya After 4 weeks, ayan. Ayan, nakikita nyo yung parang lighter than my skin na kulay. Ayan, oh. Yan na yun siya. Yan na yung namalat. Ayan. So, may mga part pa na if I were to give honest feedback after 5 sessions of CO2 laser, I would completely agree and understand some vloggers saying it's a waste of money. Kasi hindi talaga matatanggal yung scars nyo. Maglalight lang yung kulay, but it doesn't remove the scars. Worse pa kapag morena ka. So, for morenas, this is not recommended for you. If there's another option, then go for it. But for CO2, I'm telling you, hindi magmamatch sa kulay nyo yung kalalabasan ng CO2. Kasi again, naglalight lang siya ng scars. Now, in my own opinion, I wouldn't say it's totally a waste of money. Kasi kahit pa paano naglight naman siya eh, di ba? But I'm not saying I'm satisfied. Hindi ka talaga magiging satisfied kung alam mong nandyan pa rin yung scars, right? So, I highly suggest to those who plan to undergo this kind of procedure, think twice and set your expectations na ganito lang talaga yung magiging resulta niya. So, kung gusto niyo talagang mawala yung scars nyo, it's best to speak with a dermatologist kung ano pa yung alternative procedure aside from CO2.